In the given triangle PQR, right angle at QR is equal to 9 centimeters and PR minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Determine the value of sin R plus cos R. In a given triangle, QR is equal to 9 centimeters. PR minus PQ is equal to 1. According to Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR square minus PQ square is equal to QR square. PR plus PQ into PR minus PQ is equal to, here QR is equal to 9 centimeter, 9 whole square. PR plus PQ into PR minus PQ is equal to 1 is equal to 81. PR plus PQ is equal to 81. Equation 1, PR minus PQ is equal to 1. Equation 2 given. Add 1 and 2. Here PQ cancel. PR plus PR 2PR is equal to 81 plus 1 82. PR is equal to 82 by 2, that is equal to 41. PR is equal to 41. PR minus PQ is equal to 1. 41 minus PQ is equal to 1. Minus PQ is equal to 1 minus 41 minus PQ is equal to minus 40. PQ is equal to 40. PQ is equal to 40. Sin R plus cos R is equal to, here sin R is equal to vertical side by hypotenuse plus cos R is equal to base by hypotenuse. Here vertical side is equal to 40 divided by hypotenuse 41 plus base is equal to 9 centimeters divided by hypotenuse 41 is equal to 40 plus 9, 49 divided by 41